Yeah, Olde Cheshire. Yeah, Oldie. Yeah, Oldie. Yeah, Oldie pub. Fantastic. Corner of the St. James's, the Sherlock Holmes pub. Another one of the pubs that are slowly being pushed to the side because the landlords can't afford to maintain the cost, because the outsiders are investing heavily in the London property market. Hidden treasures. There we go, folks.